Hi folks, G3 here, and welcome to another instalment of my journey to go green. Today's video is a look back at some bathroom cleaning products. Now the reason for this is that in December 2020 I showed the sort of products that I was using when cleaning my bathroom. Well, obviously some time has passed since then, so I thought it'd be good to show you how well the cloths are lasting or not lasting, so you can see the longevity of those items that I was talking about. So let's get on with that. The first thing that I was using was these rainbow compostable sponges by Eco Living. Now they are 70% plant cellulose and 30% cotton. So I was using this for cleaning the bath itself and other surfaces. This is the exact same cloth. So this is the one that I started using. It's maintained its strength. There are a couple of small holes that are appearing in this, so it is showing signs of wear, but it is still perfectly usable at present. Let me show you what the original material was like. It's just a folded square of that plant cellulose and cotton. So it's not dissimilar. So it's shrunk a little bit in use, we can see, but still got the strength. So I'm still using this a good year and a half after first using it, and the bath gets a wipe down pretty much every day when it's been used, as well as the bathroom cleaning, which is maybe every week or two, depending on how much use it's had. So the cloth's lasting really well. So really good. Can recommend those. They are the Rainbow Compostable Sponges by Eco Living. Now originally I got these from the Plastic Free shop, but that has recently closed down. Unfortunately, the founder has gone off to do other projects, but these are still available widely online. So check out the Eco Living sponges. They are recommended. Next up were these Maistic plastic-free all-purpose cloths. Now I use these in all of my cleaning, and I have shown that I've been recycling these in the compost bin, and they compost over time, so that's all fine. Now these are plant-based and they use a bio-based colour. Yeah, these are highly recommended, these Maistic cloths. Now this is the one that I'm currently using in the bathroom, so reasonable strength to it, got a little bit of a hole appearing, but it's lasting really well, and this is the same cloth that I used in that original video. So this cloth is lasting really well. It doesn't get a huge amount of use compared to the sponge, because this is just used when we do a full clean of the bathroom, but it's still retaining its strength, and yeah, really good cloth, really good for the application. So that's the plastic free all-purpose cloth, and again I had got this from the Plastic Free store, but they are widely available elsewhere. Now the final thing to show you was that I said about using this Sif Power and Shine bathroom cleaner, and that I was going to be looking at alternatives to use, including making my own. I haven't made my own yet, but that is still something that I will be doing in the future. But what I have been doing is I've got a huge box of eco refills. So there were 14 in here, so I've bulk bought a load of these, and what they are is a little mini bottle. The way this refill works is that you take the top off of this spray bottle and fill it with water up to the mark on the bottle. You then take the refill, screw it into the top, and that process will open the top and the liquid will come out of there, and it then fills into the bottle and mixes. You put the spray lid back on, shake it around, and you've then got a mixed bottle of this Sif cleaner. I mean, it just goes to show how much of the liquids that we're buying are water based, so that's taken up a lot of space for transport, weight in the lorries and on the roads, space on the shelves, purely made up by water, which you could add yourself. And so that is demonstrated because this is the cleaning fluid that equates to whatever is in this bottle normally. So that's a good way of reducing the amount of plastic that's being used. The only thing I would say about these is that they come with a plastic sheet on the outside of them, rather than it being printed on paper or anything else like that. So there is still some plastic wastage with this. So it's not necessarily the best approach, but it is better than just using the bottles and throwing those away and getting another one. But I say in the future, once I've got through all these refills, I'm going to be looking at making my own with other products. So that will be a future video. So folks, I hope you found that useful. If you did, then please click the like button down below, and please leave your comments. Let me know whether you've been using any of these products, whether you're using alternatives. Perhaps you can give me a recipe for a decent bathroom cleaner. I've got some raw products that I'm going to be using to sort of make that, but equally if you've got the specifics of a recipe, that'd be really great. Let me know down below. And if you haven't done so already, then why not subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you get notified when I load up a new video. Well, thanks for watching folks. Until next time, bye!